Have you ever wondered how a tiny magnetic needle can guide you anywhere on Earth? It's like having a miniature superpower in your pocket. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of compasses and the incredible science that makes them work. Get ready for a journey that connects the device in your hand to the very core of our planet. The story begins deep within the Earth, where our planet's liquid metal core creates a vast magnetic field. Think of Earth as a giant magnet with invisible lines of force stretching from the South Pole to the North Pole. These magnetic field lines are the secret behind every compass ever made. But how does a compass detect these invisible forces? At the heart of every compass is a magnetized needle perfectly balanced to swing freely. This needle is actually a tiny magnet itself, and like all magnets, it has two poles, north and south. Here's where the magic happens. The Earth's magnetic field interacts with this needle, causing it to align with the field lines. The needle always points toward magnetic north, which is why compasses are such reliable navigation tools. The earliest compasses were actually made from lodestone, a naturally magnetic mineral that ancient civilizations discovered had this mysterious pointing ability. Today, compasses are made with precisely engineered magnetic materials, but the basic principle remains exactly the same. One fascinating detail that might surprise you is that the magnetic North Pole isn't exactly at Earth's geographic North Pole. It actually moves slightly over time, which is why modern navigation systems need regular updates to stay accurate. Compasses have revolutionized exploration and navigation throughout history. From ancient mariners crossing vast oceans to modern hikers finding their way through wilderness, these simple yet ingenious devices continue to guide us. Even in our age of GPS technology, compasses remain reliable tools that never need batteries and can't lose satellite connection. Whether you're an adventurer planning your next expedition or just curious about how things work, the humble compass demonstrates how understanding natural forces can create powerful, practical tools. Next time you hold a compass, remember you're not just holding a navigation device, you're holding a key to understanding one of Earth's most fundamental forces. It's amazing how such a simple tool can connect us to the powerful magnetic energy flowing through our planet.